What's up, family? Had to come out here and show you this thing. I was taking a look at this and it warped my mind, right? Got a 42 Bomber. I think it might be a Nash, not 100% sure, but my bad, 59 Bomber. I think it's a Nash. Twin Garrett turbos. Look at this freaking engine, man. Everybody keeps stopping and just looking at this thing. This thing is insane. All gauged out. All right, we're gonna go back to the front just so I could show you guys how insane this freaking engine is. Really, really dope. Alright guys, I just wanted to show you what was up with this thing. Let's just take a quick mosey around it. Right quick. Look at that interior. Alright guys, signing out. It's your man T with the Arizona Riders Club. You know what it is. Ride with us.